Welcome to ASV Mathematics and Dynamic Tutorial. Hi friends, today we will discuss about mathematics as one of the topic trigonometry. So in the particularly we will discuss about the co-function formula. So most of the time our students they are memorizing, and after that they are forgotten about the co-function formula. But today I teach easy way to keep in your mind lifelong. Just you see what are the concepts you have to think in your mind. Just you see I explain in the ratio co-function formula. The six trigonometry identity it will come: sin theta, cos theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta, tan theta. The previously you have to know sin theta, cosecant theta, cot theta, tan theta. It is these are the add function. What is the meaning add function and even function? Already you know. F of add function means f of minus x equal to minus of f of x. This is the add function rule. But even function f of minus x equal to f of x. This is the even function. So now here if you substitute sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta, sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. So this is the add function. So that we are putting the minus sin theta. In the trigonometry identities, sin, cosecant, cot, tan, all identities it is a add function. But in the cos theta and secant theta it is a even function. Cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, secant of minus theta equal to secant theta. But here sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta, cosecant of minus theta equal to minus cosecant theta, cot of minus theta equal to minus cot theta, tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta. So this is the first step. You have to learn the co-function formula. So this is the add function and even function. Come to our diagram. Now I explain. Suppose if you see any clock or protractor, just you keep the protractor in the particular line means any product or any measurement it will start from the 0. So this value or degree means 0. Just you think, if you keep any product means 0, here 30, here not only 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, likewise 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, likewise it will increase. But in the middle, it will get 90 degree. So that we are called the right angle triangle, right angle triangle. So when any angle get the 90 degree, we can call the right angle triangle likewise. So this is the 90 degree. Likewise, 10 1 by 1, 100, 110. Likewise, if it is increase means here 180. So the same way you can get 270. Then likewise it is increase means 360. So any one circle it will get 0 to 360. So that we can call 2 pi. What is the pi value? Pi means 180. Into 2 means 360. So any circle it will have 2 pi. Likewise we can learn the mathematics. So now you see it is a 0 degree, it is a 90 degree, it is a 180 degree, it is a 270 degree, one more time 360. So likewise 360, then you add 90, you add 90, each quadrant. So this is the particular area we can call the quadrant. So the fourth part here, if you want to get the full circle means we can get 4, we can divide 4 parts. Each parts we can call the quadrant. So quadrant means in the mathematics and particularly trigonometry, we can call it is a first quadrant, it is a second quadrant, it is a third quadrant, it is a fourth quadrant. So we want to make likewise. So if you think it is a first quadrant, it is a second quadrant, don't think like this. You have to follow the same way. First, second, third, fourth. Very good. Now, here in the first quadrant, just you see the value of the area. The value of area means here it will increase. So that 0 plus theta. 0 value, 0 degree. Suppose if your value means 30 degree means 30 plus 0, 30 degree. Like this you can consider. And also, one more time, 90 from the 90 degree you can decrease. For example, 30 degree means theta, your value 30 degree. So 90 minus 30, you can get the 60, any one degree you can. So for example, 60 degree, your value. In the 60 degree, how you can write both side means 0 plus 60, you can write one more time. Otherwise, 90 minus 30. So what is the 90 minus 30? 60 degree. Likewise you can write. So this is the concept, and we will learn properly and we will keep in your mind lifelong. So 60 degree means how we can write using the first quadrant, because 60 degree it will appear in the part. So in the part you can write 90 minus what is the value. If you subtract, what we will get 60. Suppose if you increase means 0 plus 60, you can get the 60 degree. This is the first. So the same way you have to concentrate all the quadrant. For example, here 120 degree. 120 degree it will appear here. So how I can write using the quadrant area? 90 plus 30 I can get. Otherwise 180 minus 60, it will get the 120. So this is the main concept. So what is your value? So just you think with the value which area appear, you see the second quadrant appear mean, because 90, 100, 110, 130, likewise it will come the values. At the same time, in the 120, how I can write means 180 minus 60, 120. 90 plus 30, 120. The both way you can write it. But which one you need, you can write it. It is not a problem. But both value you can use it. You can find the value, and it's also it will come the correct value. So another two quadrant the same way. But before you are writing this particular value means, just you see this is this quadrant. First quadrant, all the trigonometry, sin theta, cosecant, cos theta, cosecant theta, cot theta, secant theta, tan theta, all the identities here positive. What is the positive? So suppose if you make any value means it will come the positive. I will teach you in the example, but you see in the quadrant means it is positive. Likewise you think. Second quadrant, only sine and cosine only positive. What is the positive? Sir, I couldn't understand. Likewise, if you think means, I tell you, for example, your value is sine, find the value of sine 60. Find the value of sine 60. But you don't know the value of sine 60, or if you know very well means you can write. Otherwise, how you want to use it means sine of 90 minus 30. Like this you can write. So 90 minus 30, what is the value? I want to teach fully. But here you want to write it is all positive means in the answer. In the answer part it will come the positive answer. So 90 minus 30, what is the value? I will teach you fully. Then only you can know it very well. So this is the concept of today you are learning. So first quadrant, the answer, all the, suppose if you use 6 trigonometry ratio, you can get the positive value. Second, sine and cosecant only positive. Sine and cosecant only positive. Third quadrant, tan and the cot only positive. Fourth one, cos and secant only positive. Other trigonometry identity, it will come the negative. This is the main concept. So come to the points. The 5 points very important to keep in your mind lifelong. First, suppose you want to find the value of 1, for example 240. So find the value of sine 240. If they are asking the question means you see the 5 points, you know the value of 5 points, then you can get the answer. First see the quadrant. The 240, which quadrant it will appear? So here 9 up to this quadrant 90. So it will increase means up to here 180. So 80, 90, 20, 200, 210, 220, like this. It will appear here. The 240, it will come here. So it is a third quadrant. You want to confirm it. So see the quadrant. 240 means it is a third quadrant. Answer is, if you find the answer, very good. So you know very well any value. Suppose 540 means you can find it after 360. You count it one more time. You can get the quadrant. So here 240, it will appear in the third quadrant. Very good. Then see that theta is vertical or horizontal. Here you have to come to the point. Two way you can write. Only what is the horizontal and vertical means? 90 and 270 it is a vertical. 180 is 0 and 360 it is a horizontal. So here in the third quadrant, in the horizontal, if you want to write the horizontal way means you can write, or the vertical means you can write the vertical value. So here 180 plus theta, 180 plus 60, you can write sine 180 plus 60, you can write 240. Otherwise 270 means sine 270 minus 30, two way. Just you see, it is a sine, trigonometry identity sine, but the value is, the degree is 240 degree. The 240 degree, if you want to find the answer means, how you can write using the third quadrant theta, horizontal and vertical. Horizontal means 180 plus 60, you can write it. Otherwise 270 minus 30, you can write it. So in the two way you can write it. So see the theta is vertical or horizontal like this. Vertical means the 90 and 270, 90 and 270 means the theta it will change. This what is the change means? Sin theta means it will change cos theta. I have written here. No worry. In the below fifth point, this is the changeable theta. So vertical theta when you are using 90 or 270 means sin automatically in the answer it will change cos theta. The horizontal means 0, 180, 360 means no change. So unchanged. So 180 plus 60 means here what is the trigonometry identity? Sine. Sine means the answer also it will come sine. But here sine 270, you are using the 270, so it is a vertical theta. Vertical theta means cos it will change, sine it will change cos theta. Likewise it will change. So here vertical means change 90 and 270 changeable theta. So here 180 and 360 unchanged. The change means sin theta. Suppose you are writing like this, sin 270 minus theta means the answer is cos theta. It will come. Cos theta means here what you want to write? Sin 270 minus theta. This is the theta value 30. So you have to write the sin. It is a vertical angle. So sin means cos that theta. You have to write. Can you get the point? Like this. So what is the cos theta value? You have to find from the table. So the same way, secant theta. Suppose you have to find secant 240 means in the 240 if you write using the vertical angle or you using the horizontal angle, you have to plan. You can write any one way. It will come the answer also same. But in the secant theta, using the vertical angle means your answer cos theta, the cosecant theta. Suppose if you write the horizontal angle means your answer also it will come the secant theta, but in the theta value you can find from the table it will same answer. So cot also same. So now you have to keep in your mind these 5 points. So you can find which angle you want to find means you can find easily. I will teach you the example. So how many thetas you can find? Just you see here 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta, but 0 plus theta no need. The same theta it will come, no need. But you see here 90 minus theta means sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta. You have to find 6 theta per particular the vertical angle. And the horizontal also sin 360 plus theta, cos 360 plus theta, cosecant 360 plus theta, cot 360 plus theta, so tan 360 plus theta, secant 360 plus theta. So in the first quadrant you have to find 12 theta values. Here 12, here 12, here 12, here 12. So just you give the 5 points, you can write 48 degree, 48 identity, trigonometry identity values. So now I teach you the example. Whatever you can find. For example, cos 150 degree. What is the value? I want to use cos 150 degree. What is the value of cos 150? So what is the first point? See the quadrant. The 150 means where it will come. So here in the second quadrant. Second quadrant means, you see, the second quadrant means only sine and cosecant only positive, remaining negative like this. So now I decided. So now I want to use a two-way. One is cos horizontal angle. I am using that because the particular quadrant means using the 180 or using the 90. Two-way I can use. And now I plan to use the horizontal angle 180 minus which theta. If I subtract from the 180, I will get the 150. So 30. So next one, cos using the vertical angle. Vertical angle means 90. 90 plus 60. If I add with 90, which theta if I add, I will get the 150, 60 degree. So this is the main concept. Second one. So now I plan to write the horizontal and vertical. Horizontal theta means no change. No change. Cos. This is the theta. So cos 30 degree. Like this I want to write it. But I want to concentrate. This is the second quadrant. Sin theta only positive. But here cos theta. So the cos theta also no change. So I want to write the negative. Can I get that one? So next one. Here also vertical angle. Vertical angle means 90. The cos theta automatically change. Cos theta how it will change? So sin cos, cos sin. Automatically it will change. So cos theta means because it is 90 degree. So I want to change the theta. Cos it will change sin. Sin. Here theta means 60 degree. But here cos theta it will come to negative. This is the. Now you go to the table. In the lower level, you might be study and the table value, but suppose you don't know means I will teach once again. For example, theta degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. It is a standard degree, 190 degree. So here what is the theta? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. So how you have to find the table value means here how many values? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 because it is 0. So that I have count 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So 0 by 4, 1 by 4. 2 by 4, 3 by 4, then 4 by 4. Likewise, you have to write. Then you put all the roots. Okay. Then come to a value 0 by in the inside the root 0 by any value 0, but inside the root 0. So here a root of 1 you can separate it, means you will separate it. Here root 0, then root 4. Here root 1 divided by root 4. Likewise you can write root 2 divided by root 4. Here root 3 divided by root 4. Here root 4 divided by root 4. Likewise you can separate the whole 2 by 4 root of, means you can split, you write a separate. This is a shortcut. Likewise you want to keep in your mind. So 0, root of 0 0, but the root of 4 means it is also 2. So 0 by any number you can get the 0. So here 1, root of 1 means 1, but root of 4 means it will come 2. Here root 2 means you can write, you can cancel it. So here 1 over root 2. How it will come means I explained root 2 divided by root 2 in the root 2. You can write like this. You cancel it, then automatically it will come 1 by root 2. So that I have written here. So root 3 means root 3, but in the root 4 it will come 2. Here root 4 you can cancel 1. So if you find the sin theta value means, so next to theta you can find easily. How you have to find the value? Just you write the reverse order. So 1 means here means you should be write 1. So root 3 divided by 2 means you want to start like here 1 over root 2. Here 1 by 2. Here 0. So then what is the tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but sin theta divided by cos theta. So what you want to do is just you find the divide value. Then you can find tan theta value. 0 by 1, anything by 1 value means it will come 0. So here 1 by 2 in the root 3 by 2. How you can, for example, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 divided by, how you want to simplify? Already I have given in the previous YouTube channel. Just you go through, you can get the good point. So 1 by 2 in the it is a divide. The divide symbol, when you simplify two fraction and divide means the divide automatically convert in the multiplication. You have to write the reciprocal 2 root 3. So you simplify means you cancel it. Remaining value 1 over 3. Here 1 over root 3. Not side. Here also just you see, if you divide the both value 1 over root 2 divided by 1 over root 2 means it is the same value, but you want to follow the same procedure means 1 by root 2 into, because divide it will change the multiplication, root 2 divided by 1. So you cancel all the things, it will come 1. So next one, root 3 divided by 2 divided by 1 by 2 means, here also same, root 3 divided by 2 into 2 by 1. So you cancel it. Then root 3 divided by 1, it will come root 3 only. So any number divided by 1 means the same number, root 3 only. So you know very well, 1 by 0 means it is infinity. This is the basic level. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. You know very well means you can get the answer for any value using the cofunction formula. Just you come to the point. Cos minus cos, what is the theta? 30 degree. You see What is the cos 30? Cos 30 value. Cos 30 value means what is the class? Here, here. Root 3 divided by 2. But inside negative. Root 3 divided by 2. What is sin 60? You go to see sin 60. Root 3 divided by 2. Here negative is there. Negative root 3 divided by 2. You see? This is the value of cos 150. So they are asking cos 150, but you have to use using the quadrant area. So quadrant area, you are like to use the horizontal means you use it. You will get the same value. But suppose if you use the vertical value means you can use it. Then the answer it will come the same. This is the main concept. Now come to next anyone. For example, suppose secant anyone value, suppose 330. Likewise, you want to find secant of 330. What is the value? Just use. Come to the point. First, you see the quadrant. Which quadrant it will appear? So almost here. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means the quadrant area, cos and secant positive, other value negative. So here the secant also appear. So no worry. The answer it will come the positive. So secant and the cos positive in the fourth quadrant. So now I plan to use vertical angle or horizontal angle. Two way we can write it. I will write. But if you use any one value, it is enough. Secant means secant of 360 means I use the horizontal means. If I use the horizontal means 360, which theta if I subtract in the 360 I will get the 330 degree. So now I am using the horizontal angle. So the theta no change. So secant 30. So next one, secant vertical angle 270 minus, not minus, positive, because they particularly have 270 plus theta. So which theta if I add, then you will get 60. So what is the value? Secant, but here vertical angle. So vertical angle means secant, how it will change? Cosecant. So what is the theta? 60. So what about the positive or negative? Because it is positive, cos and secant positive in the fourth quadrant. So no need to change the sign. Only find the answer. So what about the secant 30? Cos 30. So equal to 1. Secant 30 means secant 30 is equal to 1 by cos 30. What is the cos 30? Cos 30 value, root 3 divided by 2. So you have to write 1 over root 3 divided by 2 means, how it will appear means, because in the denominator any fraction means automatically it will become the reciprocal. 1 into 2 divided by root 3. So 1 into 2 means 2 into root 3. If you know very well cos root 3 divided by 2 means, secant means you have to write the reciprocal 2 by root 3. So this is the 2 by root 3. So in the same way, cosecant 60 means it is a reciprocal of sin theta. Sin 60 root 3 divided by 2. What is the cosecant? 2 by root 3. So my dear friends and students, this is the basic concept of cofunction formula. You have to know the table value and you see the 5 points. When you find the value of any theta, at the same time you recall the 5 points, then you check the quadrant and sign and change or unchange. Or suppose if you want to use any one means you can use it. No need to find two ways. So any one you can use it. Then you find the exact value. Not only the 360, the 30 and 60, 45 it will come, 90 it will come. So whatever you want to find means you can use it. And also suppose sir, in between the gap, sir, my value is, it will come between the two value means, for example, 40 means you use the table, then you find the value, you can get the answer. So thank you so much, my dear friends. Next class, next video, I will teach in easy concept. Thank you.